The iQOO U1 is built around a 6.53 LCD of 2340 x 1080 pixel resolution that has a punch hole in the upper left corner for the 8MP selfie camera. Around the back, we have a triple camera setup aligned vertically in the top left corner. It comprises a 48MP main, 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor units. iQOO U1 goes official, Snapdragon 720G SoC, 48MP triple camera, and 4500 mAh battery under the hood. The iQOO U1 has a Snapdragon 720G SoC paired with 6GB or 8GB RAM. The smartphone runs Android 10 based iQOO UI and has two storage options, 64GB and 128GB, but neither come with a microSD card slot for storage expansion. Fueling the entire package is a 4500 mAh battery that charges through a micro USB port at up to 18W. Other highlights of the iQOO U1 included a side-mounted fingerprint reader, 3.5mm headphone jack, game space, multi-turbo, and Bluetooth 5.1. The iQOO U1 is offered in three colors: black, blue, and white. The base model of the iQOO U1 with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage is priced at 1,198 Chinese yuan $170/50, and for 200 Chinese yuan $30/5, more you get double storage. The top-end variant, with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, will set you back by 1,598 Chinese yuan $230/00. The U1 is currently up for pre-orders in China through the company's official site, with sales commencing from July 23.